All right, welcome back. I am super excited to have you here with me, and I'm super proud of you for making it this far. You are this close to having your very own online coaching business that is ready to get clients. Now, as a reminder, this is what we've done. We've identified what you're going to teach. We've identified who you're going to teach it to. We've identified how you're going to teach it, which is your curriculum. We've created your world-class offer, and you have created your client getting asset, which is a 5 to 7 day challenge, which demonstrates your experience and provides them with a valuable result. Now, what we need to talk about is where this video left off, and that is what we're actually going to do with this. So there are two different pathways, and really it depends on if you want to build a community or not. So one pathway, especially if you did a video-based challenge, is to put it inside of your community. And how you would do that is you would go to school, you would hit new course, and I already put one in here called the free course. That's something super sexy. And then you would just add 5 different pages. And then on the last page, you would say, if you want to upgrade to my full system or what may have you, click here. And then that may lead you to a very good question, which is, what button are they clicking and where are they going to? And that, my friends, is a question we will answer here in a moment. But first, if you are not doing a community-based challenge, what do we do instead? Well, instead, what we do is we put it inside of something called an email autoresponder sequence. Now, don't worry, don't worry at all, because one of the things you get with this is we build out all the technical stuff I'm about to walk you through for you, unless you want to do it yourself for whatever reason. The catch is you do have to use our affiliate link in order to take advantage of that, which is really worth it. Kartra is what I use myself. It can do the payment processing, it can host your products, it can act as your email autoresponder, it can do everything. It is a great, great, great all-in-one tool. So essentially, with my $1.9 million business, all I have is Kartra and school. That's it. I am going to walk you through exactly how it works. But once again, I do not want you to be stressed about this, because we will build this for you. This is absolutely insane that we are doing this and offering this. But just so you know the technical details, I'm not going to get into the weeds or anything like that. So what happens is we put the sequence into an email autoresponder that looks something like this. And how it's based is when they go to this page and they put in this form, they are automatically added to this sequence where they automatically start getting these emails one day, the next day, the next day, the next day, and so on and so forth. Okay, so that is step one of what we are going to be doing with this, especially if it is email only. Now, if you want to do video, but you don't want to have a community, we will put the links of your videos inside of those emails. So now you know what you're actually doing with the client getting asset. Now we are going to talk about how you're actually going to put people inside your community, as well as how they actually get this, right? So once again, this technical stuff we do for you, but for those of you who want to do it yourself, that's what this is for. We will send them to a page like this. Hey, here's a really cool free challenge. You're going to get this cool thing, big thing one, and then by the end of the challenge, you'll have this amazing outcome. Then, once they press this button, they automatically start receiving those emails. But if you want to build a community, then we put a button here that says you can join the free community. Now, this is what I did 10 to 11 years ago when I started. I was originally a real estate agent, and then I started coaching other real estate agents how I was getting more seller leads. All right. And what I did is I gave them a cool free thing. And then I said, hey, The cool free thing is inside of my community, so join the community if you want the cool free thing. Now, if you do not want to build a free community, we just get rid of this button, all right? And then they just start getting those emails that I just walked you through. Now, I want to be very, very clear. And the reason we do this and we don't just send people to a free community is because building your email list is the number one asset in all of business, bar none, because no one can take it away from you. Instagram can take you off their platforms. YouTube can take you off their platforms. Facebook can take you off their platform. And all these other websites can deplatform you. But you will always have control of your email list. So that's why when I was doing this, I went, okay, I'm going to get their email and then I'm going to say, hey, join the free community because that's where the cool thing is. All right. So I was building two things at once. And frankly, that's the best way to build a community to begin with. Now you know what you are actually going to be doing to build the free community. So to demonstrate that illustratively for you, what we do is we create a landing page that gives away the challenge that you have created, and this builds your assets. Okay, we do all of this to build assets. Okay, got it? Good. So how it looks is landing page to thank you page. Then they start getting the emails. And then the emails make offers. And these emails lead to a sales page with a sales process. Okay. And this is the link you would be using back in our example over here, where we were right here to change this link. We would change this link to the sales page. Now, I know you don't have a sales page. That's what we're covering next. Once again, we build it for you. What we do is we go back here, and this is just for illustrative purposes. This is what I call an offer explainer page, and essentially it just tells them what their outcome is, what they're going to get, what you're going to help them achieve, and some other stuff as well. Then, this is important. Depending on what your sales process is, this is either going to be a link to book a call or apply to book a call, or it's going to be a button like this one that takes them straight to a checkout page with a payment button. Okay? It is your choice what you want to do. I obviously highly recommend this for reasons I've mentioned before. Alternatively, you could link to the plans page of your community. And so they would click it and then they would go straight to choosing their plan for enrollment into your product or service. Okay. That begs the question, how do you actually start accepting payments? So I would recommend setting up a Stripe and PayPal account. So if you are doing booked calls or selling in the DMs, you can create PayPal or Stripe invoices and just send it to them and have them pay those invoices. Now, if you're doing checkouts, what you do is you need to integrate your Stripe account into your school community. You will also need to integrate your Stripe account into the Kartra account. And so you would sign up for Kartra, you would go to settings, you would go to integrations, you would hit integration, and then you would click Stripe, and you could also add PayPal as well. Now, that's one of the technical things that we can't do for you because obviously we don't want access to your Stripe and PayPal accounts because that would just be a little bit weird, right? So you have to connect those. It's an easy process to go through. Super simple, super easy. I'd also recommend setting up your email integration as well, although we can help you with that. So, like I said, don't worry about a lot of this technical stuff because we are going to be doing it for you. All right. So now you know exactly how this entire process works from start to finish, right? Because all these promos end up going to the sales page that I just showed you, which begins your checkout process or booked calls process, which is how you ultimately get clients. Now, with that in place, you have an entire system that is created that will take attention and turn it into clients. That is what we have created. Now, the last thing is how to actually get attention, and that's what we are going to be covering next. Now, before you move forward, below this video, there is a form that you need to submit so that we can actually build this out for you and do all the connections and all that good stuff and get some information from you, such as like what you want your brand voice to be and so on and so forth. And while we build this, usually takes between 5 and 7 business days. Sometimes faster because we like to implement as fast as possible because money loves speed. But while we're doing it, you need to go create your bonus assets. Okay. So when you created your offer, it said, hey, these are the bonuses, right? So you need to go create these bonuses. Also, another thing we are checking in the form down below is we are going to look at your offer. We are going to look at your niche statement and things like that, just to make sure that it's solid, right? Because we want to put you in the best position to succeed. And so we want to just have another set of eyes look over your pricing and things like that just before you move forward, okay? And then after we accept that, we will unlock the lesson for traffic generation, which is either create content or paid ads or both, and the ads start as little as $5 per day. That way, by the time we are done with your system, you have your complete system ready to go, and all you need to do is put the attention into it. All right? So you are off to the horses once we give you that system. Pretty cool. Super excited to have you here, and I will see you guys very, very soon.